Okay, so hi everyone, Fangirl Comics here, and I promised you guys that I would put out this cover from Vocaloid, and it's called Stag Interview. The vocals are from Luca Magherani, and I've gotten a lot of things on my plate lately, so I'm just going to put up the short version, so after I'm done talking you can hear that. If you guys post enough, like saying that you want to hear the whole song, then I'll work on the lyrics some more and post the whole song. But until then, I guess here's like a mini present for you guys. So here is Stag Interview, and I just finished writing like the second verse a little while ago. So I hope you guys like this, and thank you so much. Here it goes. Okay, so before I start, I just want to tell you guys really quick, I'm just going to like do this live. So it's not going to be a finalized one, and it's very, very rough lyrics. So, thanks, and bear with me. Although this is out of place for me, I want to see you so bad right now. It's impossible for me to feel just one way. Who in the world do I want to see? What time do you think is best to me? Perhaps a time when we know that it's right. What kinds of things should I talk about? I'll just let things go on naturally. Puzzle pieces can't find on their own. Someone needs to put them together to create the picture. This requires that you keep a mellow atmosphere, or end up with troubles on your mind. So what if I suddenly said I love you now? Or if I said I've loved you for a while? What's the difference if I only said I liked you? Hold on, that's not the reason that I'm asking all of this. The cursor highlights your name on the screen. I wanted to text you so many things, but then I stopped and thought to myself, and I said, what in the world am I thinking? Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'm so sorry, I kind of messed up, but thank you so much, and I hope you like it. Comment if you want the whole song, and by that time it'll be finalized, so thanks, bye.